The 5 best morning habits you can start on today. Tired of always sleeping late and waking up late, then wasting your day away? Or perhaps your morning always starts in a frenzy that you're tired of it already? If you're looking for the best morning habits to practice to kick off your day, then continue watching because you're on the right video. Your morning routine sets the tone of your day. Thus, it's important to start it right, and you can do this by falling into a healthy morning routine. So, without further ado, let's explore the 5 best life-changing morning habits that will ensure you're off to a good start. Number 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Waking up early has multiple benefits in your physical, mental, and emotional health. Plus, when you have plenty of time, you can perform your routine in a calm and leisurely manner rather than being rushed. Waking up at the same time every day reinforces your body's circadian rhythm, thus improving wakefulness in the morning. More importantly, it helps you sleep better at night. Number 2. Drink water. Drinking a glass of water right after waking up is a great way to hydrate your body. For better results, you can add lemon to a glass of lukewarm water. Lemon water will cleanse and stimulate your liver and kidneys. Its antioxidant properties also help combat free radical damage, keeping your skin healthy and young-looking. Plus, it's a good way to freshen your breath and your mood. Number 3. Make your bed. Making your bed may not seem much, but this simple habit can invoke a feeling of accomplishment in you early in the morning. And what better tone to set than feeling proud and accomplished, huh? This will also encourage you to complete other tasks. Furthermore, this small step can create inner calm, improving your mood. Number 4. Let fresh air and sunshine in. As soon as you wake up, open your windows and get some fresh air and sun. This helps you become more alert and energetic even during winters. The natural sunlight will signal your brain that it's time to wake up and stop the production of melatonin, a sleep-regulating hormone. Doing this habit regularly will synchronize your biological clock to the sun. Number 5. Move your body. Be it a couple of stretches in bed, a simple yoga routine, a brisk walk with your dog, or a quick set of push-ups and sit-ups, engaging your body physically is one of the best ways to start your day. Such physical movements will energize both your body and mind. Determine what kind of exercise is good for you and make time for it. You don't need to perform long, intense, or complicated workouts. Any physical activity will improve your blood flow and quiet any mental chatter. The morning habits are very simple, right? Believe it or not, those small changes in your lifestyle are enough to make a huge difference in your life. But then again, you'll never know for sure until you try them yourself. So, what you waiting for? Start doing them today. Let us know your thoughts about these habits by commenting below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.